Page 49, number 9. In a survey of 600 shoppers, 55% reported using fabric softener. How many of the surveyed shoppers does this percent represent? How many of the surveyed shoppers does this percent represent? Bare bones is how many shoppers are we talking about? So we set this up to have fabric softener. Over shoppers. And we know that 55%, so that's 55 out of 100, use fabric softener. And we want to, this is called extrapolate that percent to 600 shoppers. In other words, we want to figure out of our 600 how many fit that description. So 600 times 55 is 33,000. But don't forget to divide by your 100. And 330 use fabric softener out of that 600. So that one is pretty straightforward. Sometimes those are the hardest ones, though, for me. I want to keep doing something, or I think it can't be just that. But it can be, guys. So, okay, number 10. In a survey of 200 computer shoppers, 3 out of 4 reported purchasing a laptop computer. How many shoppers purchased a laptop? So bare bones, how many shoppers purchased a laptop? Well, we have the laptop folks out of shoppers. And we know that 3 out of 4 of them, that's 75%, by the way, bought a laptop. Ask yourself, 3/4 of a dollar is 75 cents. So we're talking about 75% of them. It's going to be a big number. Can't go over 200. That would be all of them. But this one's going to be a fairly close to 200 number. So 3 times 200 is 600. Divided by 4 is 150. So how many shoppers out of the 200 purchase a laptop? Would be 150. And I'm going to get one more. Those were pretty short, so let's tackle this one. A daycare center charges $50 per day for each child. The center plans to increase this rate to $60 per day. What will the rate of change be? Well, rate of change is the same as percent of change, so we can use that same formula. And we need to go back into our problem and figure out original. And then the new rate will be 60. So then we're ready to figure percent of change, where you have new minus original over original. New is 60. Minus original over original. So we end up with 10 over 50. And when you divide that through, you get 0.2, or a 20% increase. It's a positive 20, so it's an increase in price. What is the rate of change? It's a 20% increase. Okay, I'll see you back in the next clip for number 12.